And a good Monday morning to you. We're coming on the air with some breaking news from the Supreme Court about former President Donald Trump. The High Court just said moments ago that Mr. Trump can stay on this year's presidential ballot in Colorado after that state barred him from its Republican primary. Colorado Supreme Court had disqualified Mr. Trump under a constitutional provision that bars people who engage in insurrection from holding office. The decision today, of course, coming ahead of tomorrow's Super Tuesday contest when 15 states, including Colorado, will hold primary elections. Senior legal correspondent Laura Jarrett is here with us to walk us through what this decision means and what this decision does not mean. Vaughn Hilliard is also here in the studio as well. He's been covering the Trump campaign. Vaughn, I'll get to you in just a moment. Laura, let me start with you. This was a case that was about Colorado, but it sounds like this is going to have ramifications that extend beyond just that state.
Absolutely, Craig. The Republican frontrunner is now permitted to run for president, not only in Colorado, but across all 50 states. The justices here in a unanimous decision rejecting Colorado's effort to ban him under the Constitution's so-called insurrection clause, the heart of this case about the meaning of a largely untested provision of the Constitution, Section 3 of the 14th Amendment, which says essentially that if you take an oath to uphold the Constitution and then you engage in insurrection, you are not permitted to hold that office once again. But again, the court here is saying because the Constitution makes Congress rather than the states responsible for enforcing Section 3 against federal office holders and candidates, we reverse. So again, a clear win for the Republican frontrunner. The Colorado case was the one that was in front of them right now, but other states had tried to ban him from the ballot, including Maine and Illinois. With the court doing this right now, those essentially will also be wiped away, Craig.